Good day, sir. Miss Position. Good day, Roga. Thank you for taking the time for this interview. I'm Kevin and this is Mr. Bass. We'll be conducting your informative interview. How are you?
Good day as well, Kevin and Bas. I'm doing well. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Roga, for everyone's awareness. The purpose of this interview is to get to know you better and understand your experiences, goals, and perspective in the fields you want to pursue. Are you ready, Roga?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start with yourself. Can you introduce yourself and share how you came to choose this course or field?
I'm Joel Roga, currently a third-year student in Business Administration. I chose this course because I'm interested in business management and I want to help our community grow through entrepreneurship.
That's great, Roga. In your experience as a student, what projects or activities do you think have you grown professionally?
One of the most important projects I worked on was a feasibility study for a community-based convenience store. I learned how to create a business plan, conduct survey, and analyze data.
Do you have any work or internship experience that helped prepare you for professional work?
Yes, I did my internship at a local cooperative in our town. There I learned basic accounting, customer service, and how to communicate with cooperative members.
What skills would you say are your strongest and how do you use in your tasks?
I am strong in communication and data analysis. I use these skills when writing reports and interacting with people, especially during group projects or community work.
And what is your long-term career goal, Roga?
My dream is to build a social enterprise that supports farmers in our area. I want to be part of the solution to poverty and the opportunities in rural communities.
That's a wonderful goal. What step do you think you need to take to achieve that, Roga?
I need to further develop my knowledge in leadership and business. I also plan to work first in NGO or a company with a social impact so I can gain real world experience.
Thank you very much, Roga. Your answers were clear. And it's inspiring to hear about your plans. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Nothing more again. Thank you very much for the opportunity. This is a big help in my preparation.
You're welcome. Good luck with your next steps, Roga. We hope you succeed in your goals.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Hello everyone, today we will be conduct the oral defense of a research study by Mr. Roga and Mr. Bass. Their study is titled Social Entrepreneurship Intention of Peace-Based Students in Mamburo Campus. At this point, we will invite the researchers to present their study. Good day to all, I am Roga and with me is Bass. We are the researcher behind this study. Our research focuses on the intention of peace-based students in Mamburo Campus to engage social entrepreneurship.
The main objective of our study is to determine the factors that influence students' intention to pursue social entrepreneurship. We use a quantitative approach as surveying PSBA students across different year levels.
Based on our findings, factors such as perceived behavioral control, social norms, and personal values significantly affect their intention. We believe this study can help educators and policymakers promote social entrepreneurship among youth.
Thank you very much. We are now ready to answer your question.
Thank you for your presentation, Roga and Bass. I have a few questions to clarify your study. You mentioned that personal values influences students' intentions. Can you elaborate on what specific values were most prominent among the respondents?
Yes, sir. The most prominent values were compassion, community involvement, and a desire to create positive changes. These were measured using a Likert scale in our studies.
Interesting. Now, how do you think the local context of Mamburo influences the students' views on social entrepreneurship?
We believe the socio-economic challenges in Mamburo such as poverty and limited job opportunities make students more aware of the need for social enterprise that can address community issues.
Good point. Last question. If you were to extend this study, what would you explore further?
If given the chance, we would like to conduct a comparative study between campuses or include qualitative interviews to gain deeper insights into student motivations.
Thank you, Roga and Bas. Your study is timely and relevant, especially in promoting social responsibility among further business professionals. I commend your effort and encourage you to continue to explore this field.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir.